After we've calculated actual activity prices, the next step during the period end process is to conduct order settlement for the manufacturing orders of the period. As you know, the purpose of the settlement process is to make sure that the debit and credit sides of all manufacturing orders are matching. The settlement process with actual costing functionality does not differ from the regular period end process where actual costing is not used, so the settlements are done the exact same way. Just like with the regular process, we will first calculate variances for finished orders, then for WIP orders, and then do settlement postings based on the calculated variances. Let's first calculate variances for our finished process orders. We can open transaction KKS2. This transaction is used to calculate variances for a single process order. Enter one of your finished orders, select the correct period, and press Execute. You can examine the variance calculated by the system in both currencies. When you are using the transaction, you might be faced with an error message which prevents you from running the variance calculation. If the system gives you a message saying that scrap variances can't be calculated, you need to use transaction OKVG to disable scrap variance calculation. Select the standard variance variant, remove the tick from this checkbox, and you won't be seeing the error again. As you know, the system did not post the variance yet, but the actual posting is done using a separate transaction. Let's open transaction KO88 that is used to post settlement for an individual order. Enter the order number, make sure the period is correct, and press Execute. The system shows you that settlement has been posted. Just like with almost every transaction we are using, you will probably encounter yet another error message. If the system is asking you to define a number range for settlement documents, this can be done using transaction SNRO. Insert CO underscore ABRECHN as the object type and press interval editing button here. After this, you need to edit groups using this button, and then locate the controlling area we are using. Click the controlling area and then assign it to the number range group 01. But this is not the only error you might encounter. The system might also say that an account for production variances can't be found. In this case, you need to go to Profit Center Specific Configuration using transaction 3KEL. Press New Entries and maintain, for example, this GL account for this valuation class and grouping code combination. Let's open Material Price Analysis Transaction CKM3N and check the posting the system has made to Material Ledger related to the order settlement. We can find a new Material Ledger document available under Production. The price difference on this document matches with the settlement posting we just did. In the next lesson, we will be calculating variances for WIP orders.